Plumbing traps explained, revealing secrets beneath your sinks. Have you ever wondered how your home stays fresh and free from foul odors despite all the wastewater flowing through your plumbing system? The secret lies in a small yet crucial component called the plumbing trap. Hello and welcome to Gharpedia, your trusted portal for all your home-related queries. Let's explore the world of plumbing traps and understand their importance. After all, without them, our homes will be a smelly mess. What is a plumbing trap? Well, a plumbing trap is a device with a bending pipe path that retains a small amount of water, creating a barrier to prevent sewer gases from entering your home. At the same time, it allows waste materials to pass through. Traps are typically U, S, Q, or J-shaped. But the most common one you'll encounter is the P-trap. The key function of a plumbing trap is to maintain a water seal. This seal is a designed barrier that blocks the passage of foul and potentially harmful gases such as methane, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen sulfide from your sewer pipes into your living space. Traps work best when paired with proper venting. Vent pipes regulate the pressure in the drainage system, ensuring the water seal remains intact. Without vents, water can be siphoned or forced out, breaking the seal and allowing sewer gases to escape. There are various types of plumbing traps, each designed for specific applications. Let's understand each one. 1. Floor trap or nanny trap. Installed in floors to collect wastewater from bathrooms, kitchens, and wash areas. Gully trap. Located outside the building, it collects wastewater and prevents sewer gases from entering the house. P, Q, and S traps. These are named based on their shapes and are common in many plumbing setups. Intercepting trap. Found at the junction between the building sewer and the public sewer system. Bottle trap. Used beneath wash basins and sinks where built-in traps are unavailable. Grease trap. Installed to separate grease from wastewater, especially in kitchens. While traps maintain our homes, it is equally essential to pay attention to them because they can fail if not maintained. Evaporation, freezing conditions, or improper venting can break the water seal. Regular use of fixtures connected to the trap or periodic water addition can prevent these issues. So, how do we maintain the traps and ensure that they function effectively? It is easy, and here are a few do's. Use high-quality self-cleaning traps. Avoid connecting one trap to another. Install traps with uniform bores and without movable internal parts. Protect traps from freezing temperatures. With the right design, materials, and installation, plumbing traps provide long-lasting protection against foul odors and harmful gases. They also keep pests and insects at bay, ensuring your home stays hygienic and comfortable. So the next time you think about your plumbing system, remember the silent guardian that keeps your home fresh, the plumbing trap. If this video was of help to you, do not forget to click on the like button. Support us by sharing this video and subscribing to our channel. Also, do let us know if there are any pointers you would like to add to this video in the comment section below.